First of all, good morning to everyone. I hope you all are fine. Students, today I am going to discuss animated object, applying slide transition, setting up and running a slideshow, and exiting PowerPoint. This is my last part. This is my last part of PowerPoint. So first of all, I will go to PowerPoint. Now, I have to make the presentation. So first slide, I am going to make it information on MS Office. Now here I'm going to write title word processing software. Now I have to go to the next slide. Control M I will use here. Word processing software allows to work on text. Now here I am going to write here, it contains some other topics like mail merge, creating table, etc. Okay, now two slides I have made. Now I'm going to change its background. Okay, so I'm going to have the background. Yes, this one. For this, okay, two I have made it. Now I'm going to use the custom animation. So what I will do, first of all, I will go to the first slide. Now what the effect you want to apply, select the text. Now you will go to the animation. Now there you have a lot of animations effect, okay, which you want, that you can select it. Okay, I want add animation, more motion path, like a square. Now you can see, my dear, there you have your duration also. You can increase the duration, delay 25 seconds. Okay, now here you have on click before previous, or with previous, or after previous, whatever you want that you can select it. But I want yes on click. Okay, now come to the second slide. Wait, because this topic is also left, so I have to give animation to this one also. So I'm going to use wipe. There also I will increase. Here also I will have 25. Now come to the next one. This is my title. So I'm going to have this also animation. This should be a little bit delay. Same I will go for my subtitle also. Now already I have applied the custom animation effect. Listen, there are some more effects also. You have to understand, my dear. Yes, which one? Yes, effect I will apply so that it will beautify my presentation. Okay, now I'm going to run this and check it. Now see what the timing I have given for that. As per that it is working. Got it? Now you see, you just watch again. First slide is completed. Now when I am pressing this one, is there any effect between slide 1 and slide 2? No, my dear, there is no effect. I want that effect to be applied. So in that case, what I will do, I will go for the transition. Now which transition effect you want to apply, that is up to you. I want to morph. Okay, I want to morph duration. Okay, now you watch it, my dear. When I am running the slide, watch it. This is my first slide. This is the title. Next one is the subtitle that will be shown. Now, see, I'm going to apply the transition effect split. Okay, this one. Apply to all. Now watch it. Watch it. First one, have you watched? Again, I'm showing you. This work is already done on first one. See, this is the effect. This is the transition effect. This one is the custom. Yes, this is the animation effect. This one is also the animation effect. Now this is the slide transition. This effect. Okay. Now then it is my custom animation. Okay. So these are the effects that you can apply, yes, to your presentation. Now the next topic is related to your slideshow. From where you want to start your presentation? It is from the beginning. If it is from the beginning, then you use from beginning. It will start from slide number 1. Okay. Now from current slide, if suppose you are in slide number 2, and you want slide number 2 and then onward slides should be shown, one should not be shown, then you can go for from current slide. Now one more important thing that you have to know, that is rehearsal timing. It is very important. So you can set the time. You see, stopwatch has come. See, I can set it. After that, this. So it is up to you, because you are going to show the presentation. What the timing you want to set it, that you have to set it. Now you see, when I am running it, what the time I have said, as per that it will work. As per that it will work, my dear. See, I'm not pressing enter key. I'm not pressing enter key. Itself it is starting itself. So already in the class I discussed, you can give, yes, by 2 ways. Yes, you look to your presentation. First one is the automatic one and other one is the manual one. So how you want, it is up to you. Okay. Now you can record your slideshow also. Now one more very important topic is your custom slideshow. If you want to have a fragmentation of slides, okay, this one will be in one group, other one will be in this group. So for that I have to make more slides. So wait, again one more slide I'm going to make it. Yes, simple way I'm writing. Okay, table contains rows and columns. We can create row and column anywhere in a table. This is my third one. Now I want one more slide. Okay, mail merge is an important feature of MS Word. Now here with this we can merge main document with data source. Okay, I have written, I will give the effect also. So I'm going to have animation line This one also, this one wipe, this also floating, and this one appear. I have given now. I will use the transition also. There I will set reveal, apply to all, and now what I am going to do, my dear, I have my 4 slides, slide number 1, 2, 3, 4, but I want to divide it. Slide number 2 and 4 will be in first group, and slide number 1 and 3 will be in second group. See how I am going to do it. First of all, I will click on custom show. When I will click on custom show, I will be getting this window. Got it? Now I will click on new. Now you see all my 4 slides are showing there in my left pane, which I want that I will select so that I can send these 2 or 3 slides to my right pane. But I want 1 and 3 should be one part. That is in one group. I have added. Now, okay. Now again you will click on new. Now I want 2 and 4. 2 and 4. This will be in second group. Okay. Now I'm going to show you. Yes, custom 1, show 1 will contain slide number 1 and 3 only. Custom show 2 will have slide number 2 and 4. See it. I'm selecting and clicking on show. See. This is my slide number 1. Watch carefully. My slide number 1 over. Now this is my slide number 3. Over. Now same way. Again I can go to custom show. Now which one I want to see? Custom show 2. Click on this. Now this is my slide number 2. And then slide number 4 will appear. After that it will stop. So I have done already this presentation in 2 parts. Understood? Using custom slideshow. First one group is having slide number 1 and 3, and second group is having slide number 2 and 4. Now the next one, how to exit it, you all know. File, and then you will click on, wait, yeah, you will click on cross, and then you can save it, or without saving you want to come out, then don't save it. I want to save it. Okay, and now I'm going to come out. Now I have all, wait, sign. I want this one in my document. Now save. Now I have come out from my presentation. So I hope you have understood these all topics, my dear. Thank you.